Good day, Cloud Heroes here, and we're here to tell you how we can make the lives of thousands of individuals better. Together, with the help of the cloud and modern technologies and our ideas, we can make the world a better place to live for all disabled people by organizing their precious medical records, aiding in their impairments, organizing their work, connecting people, and finally by educating on an individual basis. We think we can change the lives of thousands. What can the cloud do for you?
Hello world, my name is Jack Kelly, and this is how the Cloud Heroes are going to save the world. In the past, see all these medical records, and with a simple breeze from our wonderful Mother Nature, the patient's records could be lost forever into nothingness. Nowadays, what we want to do is we're going to take all these medical records and store them in a database called cloud computing. Basically, all their records are going to be stored in this one central location. It'll be easy enough for a doctor or a nurse to simply type in a patient's name and find all the information that he or she needs. Also, with the illegible handwriting that you see over here, which no one can read, it's all going to be stored on computers, and it'll be completely easy to read and understand. Now lastly, from this cloud, we're going to go down here to your basic smartphone. We're going to store all the information on here, and doctors will easily be able to see everything they need on the go about the patients. And that is how we are going to save the world.
Hi, I'm Josh Court, and this is one way cloud computing is going to help disabled people. For the hearing impaired, movies will be able to be watched on the computer with subtitles. These movies will then be taken to a cloud where they'll be stored for later use. For the visually impaired, words will be able to be played out of the speakers, and Braille keyboards will be accessible. These computers and the information they store will be stored in the cloud. For the verbally impaired, the cloud will allow you to type what you want to say so that it can be played out of the speakers so that everyone may know what you're trying to say. The software for this will be stored in the cloud. That's how cloud computing is going to save the world.
I'm Sharif here to tell you about how cloud computing can help students with ADHD. As most of you may know, students with ADHD have trouble organizing their schoolwork. Thus, when a professor gives them a syllabus and a list of assignments, it's all clustered. What we want to do is store this information in the cloud. This way they can store their documents, their schedules, and things of that nature, and it'll be all organized on calendars. From here, we can reallocate this information to various laptops or even your smartphone. This way, the student has the ability to access information about their classes on the go, and thus keep them on target with their academic success. I'm Sharif here once again. What can the cloud do for you?
Hi, I'm Luke Mash, and this is how cloud computing can help people with social disorders. People with social disorders often have trouble building relationships and making friends. Through the cloud, these people with these social disorders can link up and meet and build relationships with people who live close to them more easily. That way, their overall quality of life can be improved by the cloud through making lifelong relationships. Also, people with these types of disorders often have to see therapists or doctors regularly. This could also be done through the cloud in a more efficient manner. This way, everything's more convenient for everybody. And then, what can the cloud do for you?
Hi, I'm Becker, and I'm here to tell you how cloud computing can help save disabled people. Now, as most of you know, not everyone learns at the same rate. Everyone's heard the story of the tortoise and the hare. But now, with the advantages of cloud computing, the tortoise and the hare can reach the exact same point at the exact same time. Sometimes, the tortoise will even win. Now, what that means for their education is that disabled kids can have all the benefits of regular education because of the advantages of cloud computers. It allows teachers to connect with multiple students at the same time, giving them each the individual attention that they need to survive in the school and student workplace. With these advantages, disabled people have a much better chance at learning and gaining knowledge and functioning better in society. What can the cloud do for you? We can't wait to see how the combination and implementation of all these ideas positively affect the lives of thousands of disabled people everywhere. From the Cloud Heroes, signing out.